Are you feeling boxed in by the thought of packing? I'm Bridget Harvey, and welcome back to A Change of a Dress. Long before you tape the first box, it is crucial to decide what you'll actually use in your new home. Do you love your furniture and know that it'll fit just so? Or are your end tables just okay, accent chairs meh, and throw pillows kinda lumpy? Take a moment to assess what you really need and want in your new space. Does your closet still have boxes unpacked from your last move? If so, leave them. Trust me, you will not miss what's in there. Speaking of closets, it's time to purge anything you haven't worn in a year. Donate or sell items that no longer serve you and start fresh in your new home. Hire a cleaning service for both homes. A deep scrub will make you feel better about where you've been and where you land. Moving can be overwhelming, but with some planning and preparation, it can also be exciting and energizing. Contact me to talk strategy, and let's make your change of address a smooth one.